Are you looking to escape to a tropical paradise? Spoil your family with a well-deserved break? Or locate the perfect function venue? Whether it's for business or leisure, you're invited to experience Seagulls Resort. Conveniently situated only minutes from Townsville's beaches, airport and city centre, Seagulls boasts 3 acres of lush tropical gardens surrounding 2 lagoon swimming pools, offering many choices of accommodation. From our relaxed garden rooms and self-contained family rooms, through to the luxurious executive spa suites. There's also great recreational areas, outdoor cooking facilities, a fun children's play area, as well as quiet spots where you can discover your own secret tropical oasis. As evening sets in, relax and enjoy Seagulls Poolside Cocktail Bar, serving up your favourite beverages and bar snacks against the tropical poolside setting. And tantalise your taste buds in Seagulls Restaurant, open for breakfast, lunch and dinner, featuring a delicious international menu, plus handmade sweets to satisfy all tastes. When it's time to lock in a venue for your next business event, conference or wedding function, Seagulls is the perfect choice. Our conference rooms and outdoor breakout areas can accommodate up to 180 people, from a small meeting to a large conference. And whether you're wanting an intimate gathering or a fairy tale wedding, Seagulls provides a variety of wedding packages to suit all budgets and tastes, with lush tropical settings providing the perfect backdrops for making memories to remember. Wherever you're from, whether it's business or for leisure, we look forward to welcoming you to Seagulls Resort Townsville.